What's going on, you guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name's Mikey, and tonight we're going to be doing an investigation on a mirror that is believed to be haunted. This is the Black Mirror Ritual. Okay guys, before we get into the video, I'm going to give you a little backstory on this mirror. So, I ran into a guy that believed that this mirror was haunted, and said ever since he brought it into the house that weird things started to happen. Like the doors started to close on their own, dishes would fly out of his cabinet. It even came down to the point that his family got really sick. So I went to go pick up the mirror. I offered him some money and he said no, just take it. So that's weird, right? Well, here's where things really get interesting. After 2 days of having this mirror in my house, weird things started happening to me. We got hit with an ice storm, knocked out my power for a whole day, causing 2 of my animals to die. One was a ball python, the other one was my fish. Some of you may know this because I posted it on Facebook, but some of you, I did not tell you that it could have been because of this mirror. Is it a coincidence? I don't know. So tonight we're going to investigate. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, I got everything set up. Now to you, this may just look like a regular mirror, but this mirror is believed to hold very dark energy, and there could be a spirit attached to this mirror. And as some of you may know, mirrors are considered portals. So I got the EMF meters already turned on. I'm going to turn on the spirit box and see what we can catch. Alright, so let's get this turned on. Make sure the volume's all the way up. And I am going to be getting a speaker for when I go to the cemeteries and do this, because I know it can be hard to hear for the wind. Hello, is anybody here? Is anybody here? Be careful. Is there something attached to this mirror? Is there something evil attached to this mirror? Here. What is attached to this mirror? What is your name? Or nothing. Do you have a name? Is there something evil attached to this mirror? Yes. Please stop. Are you the one that's responsible for the death of my animals? Did you make that man's family sick? Can you make one of the meters light up for me, please? I'm going to try it in FM. Is there anybody there? Is there something evil attached to this mirror? Can you show yourself in the mirror? Let me go back to AM. Are you a male? Satan. Is Satan attached to this mirror? Yes. Guys, I just got the chills. Whatever is attached to this mirror, can you please make the meters light up? Alright guys, I'm going to turn this off and I'm going to pull out the Necrophonic app. Alright. I got the Necrophonic app. We're going to turn this on and see what we can get. Hello, is there any spirits there? I heard Satan again. Is something evil attached to this mirror? What is your name? Why are you causing harm to people? Because why? Can you make one of them meters spike up, please? I'll hold one in my hand. Can you come up to me and make it spike? Thank you. How many spirits are here with me right now? You said many. Are you responsible for the deaths of my animals? I heard a yelp. Is it because I brought this mirror into my house? How long have you been attached to this mirror? I'll lay it right there. Can you come through this mirror and show yourself? Come through the mirror and show yourself. It just said die. Why do you want me to die? Can you make a tap on something? I said no. Tap on something if you're in here with me. Something just tapped over there, guys. How many spirits are here with me? There's a lot. Can you make that orange meter spike? Do something and prove that you're here. Can you show yourself? What is attached to this mirror? Why are you here? How long have you been attached to this mirror? Can you do something to prove that you're here? Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. The fan is moving. The fan is not even on. Is that you making the fan move? Yes. Who's making the fan move? That is so crazy. See, it stopped. The fan's not even on, you guys. That fan was just moving. What is your name? Who just made my fan move? I am freaked out, you guys. I cannot believe that just happened. Can you make that meter spike? God. Well, thank you for communicating. Do you have anything else you want to say to me? Well, I'm turning this off now. Thank you for communicating. Guys, I am freaked out right now. I do not know what to make out of any of that. That is crazy. That fan was just moving on its own. And the fan's not even on. Y'all seen that moving. That is wild. Alright guys, well I'm going to wrap it up here. I think that answers the question whether or not this mirror holds energy or not. I do believe it does, and I think I'm going to get it out of my house before something bad happens to me or my family. So, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a like on this video. Drop a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.